Hi, Cantabile. This is the time step moves all broken down. So just make sure you watch my feet. I'm going to do each move kind of separated out for you and then put them together slowly. So the first thing that you have is just a hop, which is the left foot. Hop and then a shuffle. Shuffle just means you go front with the toe and then back with the toe. Hop, shuffle. Hop, shuffle. Now you're going to take that right foot. So you hopped on the left, you shuffled on the right, and then you stepped back with that right foot. Okay? So that's the first half of the right time step. So hop left, shuffle right, step. Now we have a flap, which means you're going to take your toe and you're going to put it forward on the floor. And I'm not wearing tap shoes, so it's pretty soft, but you get the idea of the sound. Da-da-da. Okay? So you add that after you go back, flap. So it's like you step back after the shuffle, and then you flap with the opposite foot. So the transition there is shuffle right, step, back right, flap with the left foot. Shuffle, step, flap. Again, shuffle, step, flap. Okay, so that goes from the beginning, hop left, shuffle right, step right, flap left. And that's the time step on the right side. Again, it is hop left, shuffle right, step back right, flap left. Now we're going to do flap, ball, change. So you flap with the left foot, you go back with the right foot, and then back, front, left. Flap, ball, change. Again, ready, go. Ball, change. Okay, and that's the whole step. That's the whole step on the right side. So the whole thing is hop, shuffle, step, flap, ball, change. Again, ready, to the right, go. It's hop, shuffle, back, flap, ball, change. Now the left foot is the same thing. You just start with the right hop. Hop, shuffle left, step back left, flap. So again, it's hop right, shuffle left, step back left, flap. Hop, shuffle, step, flap. That's on the left foot. Now, the transition between the two sides is the hardest part. You just went step back right, flap, ball, change, and now you hop right. Watch that transition again. We just did step back right, we went flap with the left, and then ball, change. And now we hop with the right, and then shuffle, back, flap, ball, change. Hop left, shuffle, back with the right, flap left, ball, change. Hop, shuffle, step. Sparkle, jolly, sorry, it's hop on the sparkle. Sparkle, jolly, twinkle, jingle. Okay, so you hop on spark. Sparkle, jolly, twinkle, jingle. La da 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 da. Bum bum bum. Now with the cane at the end, you're literally just going to go up and down. Hop, shuffle, step. 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 So that whole ending, you just went, I can't lie, it makes me tingle. Sparkle, jolly, tingle, jingle. It's not tinkle, jingle, twinkle. It's different. Okay, that's your entire musical. That was a joke, so sorry if you didn't get it. All right, here we go. We're throwing up this way, and then we go right in. Okay, so it's sparkle, jolly, twinkle, jingly. So she says, I can't lie, it makes me tingle. You grab sparkle, jolly, twinkle, jingle. Dun 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 dun. Bum 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 ba da da. Hit. We're going to go out away from center on that ending. There you go. That's the time step.